We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. A national emergency is now in progress. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government at exactly midnight Eastern Standard Time. The famous Times Square ball in New York City has begun to resonate a signal with the frequency upon completion of its drop. Upon any form of technology receiving this signal, it will cause an overload of the device, causing a malfunction, and causing said device to detonate. As the ball dropping, once broadcast on live television, it has caused almost all forms of technology to explode across the United States, including Alaska and Hawaii, due to live broadcasts being available in Canada and Mexico. This event has also occurred in those two countries as well. Mass casualties and injuries have been reported in all three countries as a result of this event. The status of the presidents of the United States and Mexico, along with the Prime Minister of Canada, are currently unknown at this time. Any technology that was powered off was not affected by this event. Refrain from going towards Times Square for any reason. All live broadcasts from Times Square are no longer available, along with any and all recordings of this event will be deleted and destroyed. Mass panic and chaos have been reported in all three countries as a result of this event. The Times Square ball has been dismantled, and the situation has now been mitigated. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCBS TV, Channel 2. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an emergency action termination. The danger to the entirety of the United States, Canada, and Mexico is over. There is massive catastrophic damage to all three countries, along with a massive loss of life across these countries. A report of the damage costs, number of people injured, missing, and deceased will be released within the following days. All recording and live broadcasts of the ball drop have muted the signal to prevent this event from repeating itself. This concludes this broadcast of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.